If m comma s are the m means what? Mass. If m comma s are the mass and specific heat, mass and specific heat of a body, specific heat of a body, and the heat lost, that means loses. Heat lost during cooling. Whenever the body cools means what? Its heat energy decreases. Heat loss during cooling. We have a formula. We know that already. So this one is completed. dQ. That means the heat energy is equal to ms delta theta. Heat loss. That means during the change in temperature, or the temperature of the body decreases. Heat loss during the cooling, dQ is equal to ms delta d. Here m is what? Mass of the body. S equal to specific heat. Delta theta is the change in temperature. Temperature like that. Theta minus theta naught means change in temperature. Delta theta. Here substituting this value. See here. So by this equation, or from this equation, dQ means what? dQ means ms delta theta or d theta, delta or d theta, whatever may be. D theta means change in temperature. D theta by dt here. So from this equation is equal to C into theta minus theta naught. Here theta means what? Temperature of the body. Theta naught is equal to temperature of the surroundings. So from this, d theta by dt is equal to C by ms into theta minus theta naught. Here dq by d theta by dt means what? Rate of cooling. Here rate of cooling. dq by dt means rate of heat loss. This is the rate of cooling. So here C by ms is called another constant. Here rate of cooling d theta naught. So where K is called here cooling constant. K is equal to cooling constant or some constant, because specific heat of the body doesn't changes whether temperature increases or decreases. Mass of the body also does not changes. Here total value constant. So this is called cooling constant. So that is equal to minus C by ms. It depends on nature of the surface and area cross section. So here units of K is second inverse. Please observe here. Temperature difference Kelvin, both are cancelled. Here means K. 1 by T. 1 by T means T means time second inverse. Unit of K is SI unit. SI unit of K is second inverse. Dimensional formula is T inverse. So d theta by dt is equal to K into theta minus theta naught. This is very, very important. Another formula for solving the problems. So up to here enough. And including this one, there are 3 or 4 applicable conditions. Newton's law of cooling applicable when temperature of the body is uniformly distributed over it. Temperature difference between the body and surroundings is very small, that is less than 30 degrees. rate of heat loss of hot bodies by only by convection and radiation, not by the conduction. So these are the some applicable conditions. Before going to that, see here, if theta 1 is the temperature of the body initially, and it cools from theta 2. So if body cools from theta 1 to theta 2. Initially, body temperature is theta 1. It cools to theta 2 within time 3 seconds. In time 3 seconds. So we can consider as average temperature. So average temperature of a body. Average temperature of a body. Theta, instead of theta average. We can consider theta average means what here? Theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2. So if the body cools from theta 1 to theta 2 in a time 3 seconds, now the average temperature of the body or the temperature of the body is taken as the average temperature. That means the theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 instead of theta. And what about here? Theta, d theta means the rate of heat fall in a time. Rate of heat fall in time t seconds is theta 1 minus theta 2 by t. This is called d theta by dt. Instead of d theta by dt, we can place theta 1 minus theta 2 by t. So after this one, finally the formula is theta 1 minus theta 2 by t is equal to k into theta 1 plus theta 2 minus theta naught by theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 minus theta naught. So very, very important. Simple. So this is the formula from heat energy, specific heat formula. The amount of heat energy given to the substance or unit mass of a substance to rise temperature through 1 degree is called specific heat. Here Q is equal to heat loss during the cooling. So now dQ means substituting the ms d theta value in already known formula, that is ms d theta. So like that. Important up to here. Temperature of the body. Average means theta 1. Very, very important formula. Theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 minus theta naught. This is very, very important for problems point of view for both IP and objective also. Now conditions. Newton's law of cooling. Newton's law of cooling. Cooling is only can applicable to some conditions to obeying the Newton's law of cooling. So those are these of this one. Only the conditions 2 marks. Statement are 2 marks and conditions also 2 marks. Okay. First condition. The temperature of the body is uniformly distributed over it. Is uniformly distributed over it. That means what? Suppose we have a body of a temperature here 30 degrees, here 70 degrees, here 20 degrees. This is not a uniform distribution. So the temperature is same at any point over the surface. It is said to be uniform distribution. First thing is, to obey this formula, temperature of the body should be uniform over the surface. And second one is temperature difference. The temperature difference is moderate. That means what? Temperature differences between the body and surroundings is less than, so within bracket, less than 30 degrees only. Beyond 30, this law cannot applicable. So the temperature difference is moderate. That means the body and surrounding. Temperature difference means between body and surrounding. Between the body and surrounding. So this is a second difference. Third difference. Loss of heat of a hard body loss of heat of a body by so heat loss by 3 mechanisms or 3 distinct methods. We know that first one is the conduction, convection and radiation. Here loss of heat of a hard body by only convection and radiation, not by conduction. So rate of heat loss only by convection and radiation, not by conduction. So this is there are the 3 important applicable conditions. So please write down up to here. మధ్యలో 30 కన్నా తక్కువ ఉండాలి. మోర్ దాన్ 30 అయితే అప్లికబుల్ కాదు. ఆ బాడీకి టెంపరేచర్ అనేది సర్ఫేస్ మొత్తం ఒకే యూనిఫామ్ గా ఉండాలి. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద కండిషన్. Problems based on this formula, very very important. Now level 1. Okay. Level 1. In previous classes, we have completed 11 questions, I think. Now 12th problem. 12th one. See here, two black bodies at two black bodies at 327 degrees centigrade, 327 degrees centigrade, and 627 degrees centigrade, 627 degrees centigrade are suspended in a are suspended are suspended in an environment environment at 27 degrees centigrade. The ratio of their emissive power is the ratio of their emissive powers is, okay, these are the conditions. So now options are given. First one is 15:8. 15:8. Second option is 16:3. Third option 3:16. Fourth option 5:8. So these are the options. Which one is correct? So this is based on Stephens-Boltzmann's law. Stephens-Boltzmann's law. How it is identified? Two black bodies at first one is 327, 627 are suspended in environment surrounding temperature is same for both the cases. That means both the black body. 27. Here, first of all, temperature of first body T1 is equal to given data is temperature of the black body of first one is. Here, the temperature is in degrees centigrade. Now it is converted into Kelvin. That means 327 plus 273. That means what here? 600 Kelvin. 600 Kelvin. Okay, next one. T2 is equal to capital T2 equal to for second body. 627 plus 273 here is equal to 900 Kelvin. Now what about the surroundings? That means environmental temperature is the 27 plus 273, 300 Kelvin. So these are the temperatures given. What is the ratio of the emissive power? What is meant by power? Power means rate of heat energy. So we know that the heat energy from Stephens law. rate of heat E by T, that means the power is equal to sigma A T power 4 minus T naught power 4. So this is called Stefan's Boltzmann's law. Here E by T is called power, where T is called emissive power. Emissive power. So here only the variables are relation between temperature and power. Power directly proportional to T power 4 minus T naught power 4. Now ratio means P1 by P2 is equal to here T1, that is for first body, T1 power 4 minus T naught power 4 by for second body, T2 power 4 minus T naught power 4. Because surrounding or environmental temperature is same for both the bodies. Now substituting here and get the answer. So T1 means what here? 600 whole power 4 minus, yes, T0. T0 means 300 whole power 4 by here T2. Into 2. Okay. Whole power 4 minus 300 power 4 by again 900 means what? 3 into 300. 3 into 300 means 900 whole power 4 minus 300 whole power 4. Whole power 4. So here 300 power 4 is common out from both the terms. That means 300 power 4 is common. Now remaining term is 2 power 4 minus 1. Here minus 1 by. Here also 300 power 4 is common. 300 power 4 of again 3 power 4 minus 1. So this is the final value. Here 300 power 4, 300 power 4 cancel. Now here 2 power 4 means 16. 16 minus 1 by 3 power 4 means 3 power 4, 81. I think 81. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 3 is 81. 81 minus 1 here. So that implies 16 minus 1 means 15 by 81 minus 80. So here 5 table cancel. 5 3 is 15. 5 16s 80, 80. 5 16s 80. Now option is 3 is to 16. So option is 3 is to 16. Third option is correct. This is the process. I think ఇది నిన్న జరిగిన ఎంసెట్ ఎగ్జామ్ లో వచ్చినట్టుందండి మోడల్. ఓకే, అసలు మీరు ఎగ్జామ్స్ రాస్తారో లేదో తెలియట్లేదు. ఎగ్జామ్ కంపల్సరీగా అటెండ్ అవ్వండి. వచ్చిన వరకే అటెండ్ చేయండి. ఓకే, ప్లీజ్ నోట్ దిస్ వన్. Tomorrow we'll see remaining topic.